Alright, today while we're doing some tool demo, I want to introduce you to what is called a skew chisel. And as you can see, a skew chisel is ground both ways down, and then it's on an angle this way. This happens to be rounded, this one happens to be rounded a little bit, this one happens to be a small one, and it's more square. But when I sharpen them, I put them on the platform, and I'll sharpen them with a little bit of a round. So I've created the round. Didn't really come like that from the factory. People are scared of the skew. You have to really respect the skew, and then you have to just hold it up on the wood and turn it at a nice shear angle, nice straight up and down angle. You can get the bevel running and then just do cuts like that. So if you can master the skew, you can get the cleanest and the best cuts with a skew. It's just really nice because of the way that angle is and the way you use it in turning. So that's the skew. This is a nice big one. It's about an inch and a something, inch and a quarter across. I really do quite like it. So once again, skew chisel has a tang on it like a spindle tool, and so they're generally used for spindle work. I wouldn't want to do much on a bowl with a skew chisel. So I hope that's informative and helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell your mom.